Hello, you have found the on-ramp for the Blender Business Show, Producer Jaime's Sticky Notes. Each week, as the Blender Business Show episode is released, I will also release my sticky note, which will include my clip of the week. That way, if you want to just have the most important ideas served up to you on a weekly basis, you can choose to listen to this podcast feed's quickie episodes. And if you want to hear the entire episode to really learn so much more, hop on over to the full Blender Business Show feed, your weekly team huddle where your business goals and media initiatives mix together. The full episode associated with each weekly sticky note will always be linked in the show notes for you, so it's super easy to find. So thanks for finding Producer Jaime's Sticky Notes by the Blender Business Show. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't ever miss these mini gems. Listen in to each Sticky Notes episode, learn more with the full episode if you choose, and then join the conversations with other Blender members to optimize your blend of business goals and media initiatives. You can find it all at blenderbizshow.com. That's blenderbizshow.com, and find the link for our Slack channel. If you join in right now, you'll be able to follow along as I share this journey of launching this show and community with you in real time. And you can use that as a roadmap for launching your own media endeavor. Then, please also follow us on social media. It can be found as @BlenderBizShow on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We are the Blender community, where business and media mix.